Hi guys, welcome back. Tired of searching and clicking through websites just to install your favorite apps? What if I told you there is a super easy way to install any app on your Windows PC without opening a browser or searching through websites? So stay with me and I will show you exactly how to do it. So the tool that I am going to use today is called winget. It's a command line utility by Microsoft that lets you install any app straight from your terminal. No more downloading exe file, clicking next, finish or dealing with pop-ups. Just one line of code and the app is installed. It's very simple. So before you start, let's check if winget is already available on your system. So open command prompt as an administrator. And once it open, here you need to type winget space hyphen version and hit enter. If you see a version number like this, you are all set. But if it says command is not recognized, so you need to just open Microsoft Store and search for app installer, and from there you can install it. Okay. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. So open your browser and we will use a super useful site called winget.run. These sites give you the exact command to install popular apps. Now comes to the important parts. Suppose I want to install VLC media player. So here you need to type VLC and click on it and you will see a command like this. Here you can select the entire command from here and copy, or you can click on this icon to copy this command. Once it's copied, now open command prompt and paste the command over here and press enter. And you can see the VLC media player will be installed in just a few moments. And you can see it's been installed. So now let's try another example. Google Chrome. So here you need to search for Chrome and click on it. In the same way, copy the command, paste it into command and hit enter. That's it. Winget will handle the entire downloading and installing process automatically. So you need to wait for a while and it will successfully be installed. Now I will show you some useful winget command. You might find really handy. Okay. So first open command prompt. Let's say you want to check which apps are installed on your system. So for that you need to just type winget space list. And you will see a complete list of all installed applications right here in the terminal. Now if you want to update all the installed apps in one go, so just you need to type winget space update space hyphen all. This will first show you the apps that have updates available, and you will see a message like, do you agree to this term? Simple press Y and press enter, then it will automatically start updating them one by one. See? So it's a super easy. Here you need to give some time to finish all the updates. And now if you want to uninstall any apps using winget, for example, let's say you want to uninstall VLC media player. So here you need to just type winget space uninstall space Videolan.vlc and it will silently remove VLC from your system. With winget and the winget.run site, you can install, update and even uninstall app using just one simple command. No need to search on Google, no more manual downloading setup files. So that's it guys, give it a try and you will be surprised how much time you saved. I hope this video made everything clear and easy for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss more quick and practical tips like this. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.